Part of what makes Flexi powerful is that it's composable and it has a very unique structure. It always follows a certain structure where we start with a section, which is the outer wrapper. Then we dive into the layout, which could be an image with text or some sort of layout for the content. And then within the layout, we always have groups. And a group can be a wrapper for different blocks, or it could be a card, things like that. And then lastly, we always have blocks. So if we take a look at our section here, our standard content section, you'll notice that we have content being the outer wrapper for Flexi. Then inside the content, we have a layout. And the layout is, in this case, just a single column layout. So it's super easy to follow. Then inside the layout, we have our group, which we've decided to add it in a simple group, and it's just a group of content. And within the group, we have each one of the blocks. But we can also take a look at a more advanced section, such as the card slider. Within the card slider, we have, again, the section. And then within the section, we have the layout, which is the slider layout in this case. And then each one of the groups is a card. And then, of course, within the card itself, we have the blocks, which in this case is text and description. You'll notice that as you go through the Flexi library, that we always follow the structure where we have a section, a layout, a group, and a block, no matter what type of section it is.